So nice, really.
Spicy?
No, a little bit.
Indian.
What's that? Is that peanut butter sauce?
It's sesame.
Oh, okay, I like this. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Maps on the Map. It's been a while. I've missed you and I hope you missed me too. Right now in the video, I am on my way to meet a friend of mine, Andre, for hotpot. You're wondering, what is hotpot? Stick around and you will see.
Andre, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Hello, good to see you.
Good to see you.
This is my friend.
Hi.
So welcome to Chongqing hotpot.
Okay.
It's the first in Shanghai.
Okay.
Have hotpot, but it's very spicy.
Okay.
So are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go.
I think so.
Hi everyone.
Welcome back to my channel, Maps on the Map.
Maps on the map.
I'm Maps.
I'm Andre.
And
Devin.
yeah.
Yeah, so Chongqing hotpot. You can already smell it. It smells so
From my
good.
home. Chongqing, from my home, hotpot. So
Okay.
nice.
Nice.
So we just chose a few things, but you can see whatever you want also. So there's, okay, you can introduce them.
毛肚、虾滑、
This you know,
虾滑
shrimp,
Yeah.
vegetable, and Chongqing noodle, chicken wings, also 毛肚、鸭肠 and 鸭心 right?
yeah.
鸭心虾饺的香肠 and oh sorry it's hot yeah hot very hot and 肺片猪肺
It's like smoked beef.
Oh, looks a bit.
So it's already pre-cooked.
So you got a lot of meats, and then the little vegetables. That is the.
Oh yeah, you can choose your own sauces. So,
I am very bad at making sauces.
so you can choose your sauce. Yeah.
a little bit garlic you like
Yes, I love that.
garlic and you like it
Yes. I'm spring onion.
you must be like it
Yes,
right
yeah.
and mushroom so nice really
Spicy.
no a little bit
Indian.
What's that? Is that peanut butter sauce?
It's sesame.
Oh, okay, I like this.
beans right yeah and you want
The chili? A little bit.
a little bit
Just to like give it a little bit of.
and
And of course the oil,
Oil.
yes.
Just normal oil.
more or a little
That's fine.
that's fine
I think that's okay. I don't know how much it's supposed to. Yeah, I think that's okay.
trust me you should try I think so
Okay.
from my home
Like, whoa.
alright
Chili.
for you
Finished? Oh, you don't put any of this?
if you like I don't like it
Okay, let's not ruin it. The hot pot is divided into two. On one side it was super spicy and on the other side plain. What we do is just add the food into the hot pots. So put it either in the spicy one or in the plain one, and as it gets ready you eat it. The idea is not to put all the food inside the hot pot and just eat it, but it's to slowly put it in. So as it cooks, it gets ready, you eat. The pot is constantly boiling and you are constantly eating. yes, I'm back to eating meat, guys. This is my second week.
Cheers to eating meat.
Yes.
Cheers.
You know, I come from a very small farm, you know. Empangeni.
So why did you come here?
Why did I come? For a change. I mean, I worked in an office for most of my life.
So what did you do?
And I applied, no, I worked in my father's company. And then I applied for Ecuador. I thought, okay, I was like searching through the internet and thinking what to do, and I started to ask for English. And then Ecuador was there, and it so happened the group that went before me had such a horrible experience. And then they said, okay, try China. And at the end,
Would you settle back in South Africa here?
I don't know. I love my country. I love my home.
Me too.
I love my food. I love our people. I mean, I was just saying to him the other day, in South Africa, if you walk here the road, you can say hello and the person will hug you. In China, no, they will look at you and what the hell are you doing? What?
Is he serious? How did you become friends with him?
The strange part is, he was sitting so serious, so quietly. And I was sitting with my Singaporean friend and he's sitting and chatting. I'm like, look at this dude. I'm like, you know, what is he doing there? And I already had a few tequila. And I'm like, come here.
So boxy.
So like a friend, you know, come here. And then he comes, and I'm like, have a tequila with us. And then he sits next to the one pretty girl. He's like, oh, he likes the girl. I'm like, so and I'm like, okay, come. You can take your picture. You know, I get very happy and always popular. And then eventually we all became friends.
I remember how difficult it was when you arrived.
At first, when I arrived, I mean, I'm still working for the same company, and then we had 24 schools in Shanghai. So the first school they put me in, the principal, as soon as she saw me, and she just looked, who's this brown person, you know? And I had such an issue, she refused to have any classes for me. And then I went to my head, and then they transferred me. I went to another school, which are way out of the city.
Yeah.
So I had to travel like an hour every day. I loved it there. My supervisor was amazing. And then they had the position opening up in our flagship school. And then I transferred there. And yeah, so far it's been good. I think I've learned a lot, experienced a lot. I've learned to be more forgiving and to be more understanding, because I mean, you know, in China we look at the people, everything, all these people are racist, you know. But no, it's just, they don't know. So if somebody says you're brown now, I don't even take it to heart, you know. For me, I've accepted it, and yeah, and I'm proud, and I'm yummy chocolate.
He's been here for 2 years already. He's been promoted. How many times did you get promoted?
I think twice.
Yeah, so tell us your journey.
Yeah, so now from being an English trainer, I'm being promoted to train teachers as well. So I used to only train the foreign teachers, and now I can train the Chinese teachers. So at the moment, I still have my classes, so they're going to wean me off it slowly.
Yes. But one thing he didn't mention, but I thought it was cool, he was telling me how now it's challenging for him to move to HQ because they scared that some parents will leave, like they will lose customers because they only want him. And also people are signing up because they want him, right? So I think that is just the beauty of it as well, is that things are changing, because I think you can judge someone by how they look, but then it's when you get to know them and see how awesome they are that you're like, wait a minute, I want to be part of this. I want him to be my kid's teacher.
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought to become so far. I mean, to be training teachers. 2 years ago, I would have thought, no.
Yeah, that's really amazing.
Yeah.
Someday.